Negros Oriental Representative Arnie Teves is in crutches. The lawmaker has been hobbling around for days since he figured in a trail ride accident. His left leg had been badly hit during the fall. Be very careful when you navigate trails on a motorcycle. Learn it from this politico.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.